If Google Docs page breaks are messing up your document, don't worry, this is a very common issue and it's easy to fix. First, open your Google document in Google Docs, and if you're seeing a hard break that you didn't add, click View at the top and make sure Show Print Layouts is turned on. Turn it on and off often instantly fixes weird page gaps. Now, click directly before the page break and press backspace or delete. If it's a manual page break, it will disappear right away. If the break keeps coming back, highlight the text near the break, then go to Format, and inside of Format, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, click on Custom Spacing, and set before and after spacing to 0, and line spacing to 1.0. This fixes invisible spacing issues. Also, check Format, and then Paragraph Styles and Borders and Shading, and remove any borders and shades that can force page breaks. Finally, go to File, and then Page Setup. Inside of here, make sure margins aren't too large. Once you clean spacing, margins, and manual breaks, your page will flow normally again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.